What's poppin'? Mayhem Goddess Crew. In today's video, I'll be going over the new Sugarpill Capsule 2. This is the orange one. The last one I reviewed was the pink one. This one's the orange one. Totally different colors. So let's go ahead and get it poppin'. As like the last one, the Sugarpill Palette Capsule 2 retails for $42, the same as the other one. Really love all the eyeshadows in here. They're nice and creamy. The blue one was a little chunky, but nothing I can't work with. I do it for you, girl. Just know that. So if you ever do decide to order any of the things from here on out, you know what? Stay to the end of the video. I talk all about it. So when you get the palette, it's about the size of a cell phone, well, modern day cell phone. And when you open it, it has the traditional mirror in there like the first palette, and it comes with 10 eyeshadow, which 5 of them are matte and 5 of them are shimmer. So you got a pretty even mix there. They swatch wonderfully. So I am going to go in order of how I see it connected on the back. So for the first color, all the way down to the bottom, we've got Side Eye, Elevate, Moonshine, Retrograde, Double Shot, Skyrise, Young Blood, Insomniac, Metro, and Karma. So this eye is done as per usual, and let's do this one together, me and you, during these hard times where we're all stuck in the house, okay? So I'm going to be taking this P. Louise base and a Rumor 2, which I think is just number 2, and I'm going to apply this all over the lid, same thing as per usual. Now dipping into a Double Shot, I'm going to be placing this pretty high on the lid. This chocolate color was calling me, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Now dipping into that yellow color, we're going to go into Metro, and we're going to apply that up here and try to blend these colors together. Now I want you to get you some makeup remover or whatever you're going to use to clean up the crease. I'm using this L'Oreal Paris. I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Clean Artiste, and I'm going to be cleaning that up with a pointed Q-tip and just basically removing what I don't want. Now this removes this color pretty easy, as you can tell, so I don't have to scrub it a lot. The reason why I like it so much. I'm gonna go back into Double Shot and add some more color up there just so you can see it and it can match this one. Now taking that same makeup base, we are just going to carve out the crease, make it nice and crisp, and I guess if you are still here, drop your crowns down below because we need to have a serious talk. So because of the coronavirus outbreak, I am unable to do a lot of new palette reviews for you. So I have decided that I am going to just make a playlist of me putting out new content but revisiting old palettes. So palettes that I've already reviewed with new looks. And I would highly appreciate it if you drop some of your favorite colors down below, and maybe I can mix them up and get a look for you. I really want to keep creating content, but in order for me to do the new palettes, the companies need to be shipping out stuff, which they are not shipping out anything because of the outbreak. So I hope that you do understand that this virus is hard on everyone. People are scared to go out. People are apparently can't find no damn toilet paper. Maybe somebody can tell me what's up with the toilet paper. Why ain't the toilet paper ain't there? I mean, toilet paper ain't gonna stop you from getting the coronavirus, right? So I'm confused on toilet paper, just to tell you the truth. but I really want to keep creating content for you. So drop some of your colors down below, and maybe drop some of your favorite palettes that I reviewed on this channel, and we can revisit those, and we can do a whole new look with them. I might call the playlist Revisiting Old Palettes. I won't put the coronavirus palettes on there because people might find that offensive. So I decided that I'm just gonna be revisiting old palettes and creating new looks. So go ahead and drop all your favorite colors down below. Now that we done got that out the way, let's go on ahead and go with Insomniac, and we're going to place that in where are we gonna place it? Where are we gonna place this? Say it with me. In the blank places. Right here in the corner to be specific. Now the next color we're gonna go into is Elevate, and we're gonna place this right on the side and blend those two together. Now taking that blue color, because I wanted a pop of blue because I had to do it. I ain't gave you blue in like the last 3 videos, so I had to go into Skyrise and place that right next to that pink color. Now this blue color is a bit chunky and has a bit of fallout, just to let you know. Now going back into Insomniac, we are going to place that all back here because I really wanted more green than I did anything, because I like this green. Now it looks like we just placed it on there, right? Because we did. So going into that green color, at the tip of my brush, I am going to windshield wipe that blue and that green together, just like this, like that there. After you clean off your brush, we're gonna go back into that pink color, which was Elevate, and we're gonna do the same thing, and we're gonna blend those two together like a windshield wiper motion, and so on and so forth until we get all the way to here and do the same thing. Got it? Okay. Now taking a pointed brush, we're gonna go into the color Moonshine, and we're going to pop that right in the intercontour. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go into Young Blood and apply that underneath here. Then taking Karma, I'm going to apply that right beneath Young Blood. That's called Young Blood. Young Blood. And I'll be using these Eyelure lashes today. And I'm going to be using this color Retrograde, and I'm going to use that for a blush today. So I think I went a little bit overboard on the blush. But all in all, I really like this palette. As I said before, the first one, which I realized I linked the wrong palette there, so now it's the right link, and this is going to be the correct link because this is the Capsule 2. But it's the same size as a cell phone. I told you I have the Note 10 Plus, so it's about the size of that. Really like the colors. Very pigmented, very peacock-ish. The blue was a little bit chunky for me. I didn't like how chunky the blue was, but at least it showed up. As I said before with the last one, you can just use one eyeshadow looks and get a total look with that. And if you want to use blue eyeshadow every single day of your life, why not do it? Because who knows when's the next time we're gonna be able to go outside. So since I told you what I told you earlier about me doing the palette reviews, I will link the links down below just in case shipping does open. And some of them open early, like they say in like April or May, but I don't know. We don't know. We all don't know how long this is going to last. So if you are watching this in the future after the coronavirus, the links are down below. Apparently it's safe to order. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I want to bring you guys new content, but I also want to make sure everybody is safe. So I will leave the links down there just in case shipping opens up for some of these places that have completely shut down.